Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out this first aid kit, and Vital House did send this over to us for us to check out. Now, little known fact about me, guys, I used to be an Air Force firefighter / EMT for almost 20 years, so I think I'm probably your go-to guy for being able to check out what's in here. And I did already open this up and look at it, and man, let me tell you, this has like almost as much stuff as we rode with on our fire trucks. Has a whole bunch of stuff in here. And a first aid kit is an absolute must-have for pretty much anybody, but especially if you have small kids, stuff like that, or if you're going to be going out and doing things, hiking, camping, or definitely just have one of these like inside your car. These are great. Have them everywhere. Have one in your car, have one inside your house, everywhere. But you're gonna get some regular Band-Aids right here. You're gonna get some burn gel, some alcohol pads and stuff on there, some abdominal pads, sterile eye pad. I mean, you get tons and tons of different gauze pads and stuff in here on this side. Wound skin closures, those are nice. A cooling gel patch, which I didn't even know what that was. We never ran with anything like that. Go ahead and stuff these back in here. And I did take all of these out, and then I was able to get all these back in here pretty easily, with no problem. Sometimes that can be a pain, especially whenever you're getting this much stuff. Because let me tell you, these things are these things are loaded with stuff. So that was our medication / wound care. The next one here is cuts and scrapes. And it comes with a whole bunch of little fun things in here. It comes with a whistle. That's cool. So I guess if you're needing help or something, you can whistle. Comes with a little pair of shears right there. And also a whole bunch of little safety clips there. It has like a CPR mask on here, which this is a weird one. The ones we always ran with are like hard. But this is like just a plastic one in case you wrap it on their face. One-way valve on there, which is nice. Some medical gloves, some tape in here, some little tweezers, which there's another set of tweezers in here too, which I thought were really cool, but that's over here on this side. We'll get to go. And some more tape on there as well. We'll go ahead and shove this stuff all back in there. All right, here in the middle, we have some elastic bandages, two big ones of those. Boom, right there you go. Those are great to have. Some more, just your PBT bandages in there. Open up this one here. This one here is for fractures and sprains. It says, you got some cotton / wool, some triangular bandages, which is great for slings, some more PBT bandages, which is what we had over here, some more, some Q-tips, and then you have a one of those little cold pouches, ice pack thingy in here, squeeze to make that work. And then last but not least, we have our outdoor others first aid manual. Comes with a little flashlight. Now this is the little tweezers that I thought were cool. Has like a little magnifying glass on there, so you can like hold your tweezers and look there, kind of get like those fine-tuned things, splinters, stuff like that. You have some vinyl gloves on here, an emergency blanket. That's nice. It's one of those like foil blankets. Some glow sticks in here. A compass in here. At first I had no idea what this was. I thought it was dental floss. But open it up, it is a place to put your medication, whatever medications you want to have in here. You have a thermometer in here and some tongue depressors and a whole bunch of masks in here as well. I'm gonna go ahead and shove all this stuff back in here. This was the only one that I had to kind of play Tetris with to make sure I get it all in there, but it's still not too bad. And boom, just like that, it is all good to go. Comes with a list of everything that you can that you get right there. Also, of course, on the product page, you can easily read each and every little thing that you have on here. And then something that's nice, if you want to be able to use this as like a jump pack, boom, you just pull and go. You have this mounted to wherever you need to mount it. I mean, you can have this like on the back of your headrest or something like that, wherever. And boom, boom, you're good to go. So overall, a whole bunch of cool stuff in this pack right here. So go ahead, check it out from Vital House.